if YouTube is not recommending your video, or probably YouTube was recommending your video and all of a sudden you stop seeing YouTube recommendation on your video, it might be as a result of you not doing this particular setting in your YouTube studio, or probably you have touched it or you have not touched it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this particular setting. It is just one setting, and if you are a new subscriber or you are an old subscriber in my channel, you will notice that YouTube started recommending some of my old videos to you. It is because of this particular setting that I did in my YouTube studio. There's a particular video that I posted 6 months ago that started getting views just few weeks ago after doing this particular setting in my YouTube studio. So pay attention, because I'm going to be using a screenshot to show you how you can do this particular setting in your YouTube studio so that your videos can start getting recommended by YouTube. Now, not just your old videos, even your old videos of over 1 year, 6 months can also peak after this particular setup we're about to do in our YouTube studio. First, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amugo's Concept, and I'm back with another mind-blowing information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this good news. So guys, this particular setting, we're going to be using our desktop version of YouTube Studio to do this particular setting. So I'll click on mine. When it opens, then let me hold in it so you can see. So you click on this second to last icon here. You click on it. When it opens like this, can you see it? This. So when it opens, you click on these home tabs. Okay, so this particular place here, you choose it. Now this layout allows you to choose section for your short feeds, your videos, then your popular videos, then your community tabs, then your past live streams. Now you need to lay all this place like this on your channel. I have already put my own, so what I would do right now is just to take a particular section down so I can show you how to include it. So this popular video, I'm going to remove this section, so you can always remove it after setting it. So I'll also remove this one. So I'll remove it. So once this interface opens like this, then if you have not created this section like this, you click on add section. Okay, so you click on popular video. So if you click on that place, so YouTube will arrange your popular videos here. This one is for your live streams. Then you click on add section again. Okay, then you add your past live streams. Can you see now? Is aligning. So you can add any section you want to add. So if you have other channels you want to showcase on your main channel, you can also choose it. Okay, you can choose it. Then you can put subscription. Then if you put this subscription, when people click on it, they will subscribe on it. So do you understand? So this is very important. Then for this For You page, he said YouTube recommend fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content, and this is why it is very important for you to be uploading more content. Okay, so but if you click on it now, you will see a shocker. So you click on it now, you will see that this particular tab, if yours is turned off, it is very risky for your channel. You will not be getting views. Your videos, your shorts, and your live stream will not be getting views. Some people's own are turned off like this. So you need to go and check your own. If it's turned off like this, you will not be getting views. So you make sure that these 3 buttons are turned on. Okay, then for this recency, so the first one says all content recommended. So YouTube always updates the For You section with fresh content. So you choose this all content. Now if you choose recent content only, it means you're telling YouTube that they should only show people on the For You page, that people should only see your fresh content you just uploaded. So that means your videos of 1 year, your 6 months, 3 months doesn't get recommended by YouTube. But if you choose this first button, it means that even your videos of one year can also still be recommended by YouTube. Like I said, a video I uploaded 6 months ago just started getting views and engagement after doing this particular settings on my channel. So this setting is very, very important for you to do. So when after doing this, you click on done. So this, all these settings we've done here will not save if you don't click publish. So you must always click publish after doing these settings. So when you are done with this particular setting, you go to your YouTube channel to go and see how it is there on your channel. So you click on you click on channel. So this is your home page now. So when somebody visits now, this is how you see now. Popular video is now showing, then your past live streams is now showing. Then you can also add the other ones that are there on that particular YouTube studio, and they will be visible in your channel. So this will allow viewers, when they come, they can choose anyone they want to see. Okay, I have not included playlists on my own setting. Okay, so include everything so that everything on your channel can start getting views and recommendation by YouTube. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. Also, if there's any particular video you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section. And if you have turned on this particular button before, let me know how it's going in your channel. And if this is the first time you're coming across this particular setting, also let me know. Thank you so much, and I hope you got value from this particular video. If you do, please do not fail to subscribe, like, comment, and also share to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one.